Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain a free YouTube API key to fetch your channel data. This is incredibly useful for streamers who want to display live likes, viewer counts, or create real-time subscriber goals for their broadcasts. First, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. I've linked that in the description below. From the top left corner, click on Select Project, then click New Project. Name your project whatever you like. There's no need to select an organization. Just click Create. Wait a moment for the project to be created. You'll see a status toast in the top right corner. You can either click Select Project right there, or use the project selector in the top left corner to grab your newly created project. The first page you'll see is the APIs and Services dashboard. Look for the button at the top labeled Enable APIs and Services with the plus icon and click it. You're now in the API library. Type YouTube into the search form and hit Enter. In the results list, find YouTube Data API v3. Click it. And then click Enable. Congratulations, you now have the API enabled. There is just one last step to get our actual API key. In the top right corner, click the button that says Create Credentials. Name your API credential. I'm going to leave mine as the default, and then make sure to check Public Data. This ensures you don't need to set up a complicated consent screen. Click Next and voila, you have your credential. Copy that API key and use it in whatever resources or tools you need. Click Done, and you are ready to go. If you ever forget your key, just access the Google Dev Console. Select your project and click Credentials in the left-hand menu. Under API keys, you'll see your key. Just click Show Key, and it will appear in a modal. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. MML Tech signing out.